Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's channel, we will see how to select a range of data or in a set in which you have huge number of counts. So for example, I need to select the row ID from 1 to 10,000. So what I will do is control shift and then I will use this form which will take a long time. So what I can do is I can use a function that is control G. Here I need to select 10,000 count, the 10,000 rows. So what I can do is I'll select A2 semicolon from A2, that is from this place, this selected range, to A 10,001, for example. So I'll select. So now if we see, the entire data has been selected. Since I have a data of 9,994, so if you see, the entire set count is selected. Again, see, we'll see one more example with a smaller data count. So from A to, let's suppose, selecting A 3000. So if I select OK, so the count of 3000, that is from A to till 3000 data is been selected. So with this help of shortcut, you can select the count of data range. I hope you like this video. Do share it with your friends and family, and yes, do subscribe my channel. Thank you.